Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back after a little break and I'm coming in with a really cute set. So this set is going to be an inverted aura kind of set. I'm going to add a little bit of gems to it. It's going to be super cute. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. These are all the materials that I used, and I finally got a new bottle of Makartt glue. My last one was on its last leg, so I'm so glad I got a new bottle. Also, I am an affiliate for that specific brand, so if you guys want to save some money, go ahead and click my link down below and you can save some money on all Makartt products. So you already know the drill. Before we do any set, we have to go in with our Beetles base coat. I love Beetles polish. I will probably use it for literally ever until I can probably, get some more upscale polish. But honestly, this one works just as well, and it's really good, really affordable, and it never does me wrong. The colors that I'm using are also Beetles, and I'm just going to go in with one hand orange, the other blue, and then of course those auras are going to be inverted or reversed or whatever the word is, and the blue aura is going to go on the orange nails, and then the orange aura is going to go on the blue nails. So onto the airbrush, I'm going to fill up my little reservoir with acetone. I've seen people do a bunch of different types of liquids that they put in, whether that be acetone, alcohol, whatever. And I'm going to mix in my color of choice, which is orange, of course. I'm going to go in and do this a couple of times, kind of layer it up so then that aura can be really prominent and really bold. And now we're going to do the same thing for the orange nails. We're going to fill up that reservoir, make sure it's all nice and cleaned out because you don't want that orange kind of mixing in with the blue. We're going to do that and fill it up with the blue and go in and make our auras all nice and perfect and pretty. Also, I highly recommend wearing gloves when you do airbrush. It gets all over your fingers and it's probably not super safe for your skin. Don't be like me. Be better. Go ahead and put on some gloves, latex gloves or whatever you can wear. Just don't try to get it all over your skin. Lastly, I got these little water droplet iridescent beads that I think are super cute, and I think it'll really pull this look together. So I'm going to go in randomly and just put on these little beads. No specific order, no specific amount. Just go ahead and put them on however you like. And it kind of just adds a little bit more dimension to the nails. And quite honestly, you could have just stopped with the aura, but I gotta be a little bit extra. So go in with that top coat and finish off the look. Go around the beads, but honestly go a little bit on top as well so that they stay secure and shiny. And once you're done, you're going to cure that for about 60 seconds. This is the final result. It came out so cute. It's so fun. I love the two different tones of colors. I know my mom likes the style too, where the hands are two different colors. Super cute, super fun. A little bit, out of season. It's definitely kind of like summery, but Honestly, I like to wear whatever, whenever. So if you guys like this set as much as I do, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited. It's only up from here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.